PL300. What does it bring to the table? So you want to be a Power BI developer. We can see it cross highlights, fact and dimension, the visual calculations. So we've got time intelligence within there. Let's just get right down to it. Let's start simple. My name's Ross, the creator and founder of Geordie Consulting and Geordie Intelligence. I've been working with Power BI really since 2015, even before we started using Power BI, as we were using Excel, Power Query within Excel, and then Power Pivot, that then led into Power BI. I've trained multiple super user groups and multiple developers from zero to Power BI Hero, and I'd like to think I've learned a little bit along the way to kind of know what I'm doing and hopefully make you recognize that I know what I'm talking about. The key thing that I'm seeing at the moment is lots of people are thinking, well, all I need to do to become a Power BI developer and access those top tier salaries is do my PL300. And it couldn't be further from the truth. The PL300, I think, is one of those things that's slightly misleading in terms of what it is. I think the people it's aimed at are not new to Power BI as such, or new to the world of analytics as such, or to the business as such. It's aimed at somebody who, I've worked in the business for many years doing something, and I'd like to be able to do some analysis work on it rather than having to rely on external analysts, so they know that business process that they're reporting on. And the other side is going to be the experienced data analyst who's, well, I'm used to using another tool, be it a Tableau, be it a Click, be it a, Google Analytics, whatever it is, and I want to learn Power BI as well and add that to my, quiver, as it were. So, wow, okay, but you can see those are two groups of people that are going to have a lot of knowledge to bring to the table. If you've got that, the PL300 is definitely for you. Okay, but if you haven't and you're just doing your PL300, you're still going to have to do a lot more work to effectively build up that level of experience that's going to then make you that indispensable member of a team that is going to drive that top figure salary that you're looking for. Okay, so this isn't meant as a no, don't do it video. This is meant as a definitely do it, but be aware there's a lot more that you will need to do. We've done a video talking about this and additional resources that you can use to really get to that next level of being a data analyst or being a Power BI developer. Again, the two are different things, aren't they? But watch that video. Think about what you want and how you want to progress your career. And remember that just doing the PL300 is not going to unlock top tier salaries for you. You need to then be able to back that up with proper experience and proper, this is what I've done kind of level of expertise to it.